What's up, sellers, and welcome to today's video. By the title of this video, I'm pretty sure you understand what we're going to be talking about today, and that is Amazon and why I am no longer an Amazon seller. And actually, I haven't been for several months. All right, welcome back. First off, let me just tell you that this is an embarrassing video to make, and it's something I've honestly been hiding for quite a while. I wouldn't say hiding, but just sort of neglecting to talk about, simply because it's truly embarrassing. When you make a mistake, when you fall on your face, whenever you, I guess, fly too close to the sun and you get burned, it's just embarrassing. And so today, I'm kind of working through that. I'm getting past it, and we're going to talk about why I no longer sell on Amazon and why I got banned from selling on Amazon. Here is my background when it comes to reselling, selling anything. I guess from like the time I was 7, I had been reselling things. And a few years ago, my wife and I got into selling just random things around the house on Mercari. Then we found out about Poshmark. Then we really dove deep into eBay, and we started building up steam and building up sort of a business there to make that money. But along came Amazon. We found out about Amazon, I guess, 2 years ago, a year and a half to 2 years ago. And I said, you know, I'm going to go really hard on Amazon. I'm going to go the book route, sell used books, new books, whatever I can get my hands on. And I'm going to be a bookseller on Amazon. So I dove headlong into it, and I sort of neglected the Poshmark, Mercari, eBay hustle with used shoes and clothes and hard goods and that sort of thing. So as I was moving toward Amazon, it started to pick up steam. It started to really show and prove to be a worthwhile endeavor. I made a lot of YouTube videos about selling on Amazon, which did really great. In fact, the #1 video I have on my channel right now in terms of views is actually how to sell used books on Amazon. And I'm extremely grateful for this. It's been great. It's been a video that I rank, and there's a card up above. You can check it out if you want to. Everything I'm talking about here today has nothing to do with books, but I made a serious misstep. I definitely did the wrong thing, and that is why I no longer sell books on Amazon. And I haven't actually since, I think, February of 2020. Through all this time, like, I even went so far as to make a Udemy course about how to sell books on Amazon, and it goes way more in depth than the YouTube video, simply because there's a lot more boring parts to the process that just wouldn't convert well for YouTube. In any event, I did the little course. It's not a guru course. I don't claim to be a guru at Amazon. I just share my knowledge, and people can take it or leave it. So I did all this work around it, made videos, made that little mini course, did the work, like really poured my guts into it, like really poured my energy into this. And then I would say around October or November of 2019, I found out about dropshipping through Amazon. Now, let me preface this with saying I tried dropshipping on eBay prior to this, and it did not work out well for me. I had a couple eBay accounts shut down, found out that it's against the terms, completely against the terms. So anyone that is teaching dropshipping on eBay, please, let me tell you, it is not allowed. Like, it's literally, eBay says you have to place hands on the product before you ship it out. You're not supposed to ship it from a distributor or a warehouse or a fulfillment center. Like, you have to put hands on the product to sell it. That's eBay. I didn't realize that Amazon had a very, very similar stance on it. In Amazon's wording, your name and your title or your business information has to be on the invoice within the box or the item that you're sending to the customer. So you could, in theory, drop ship on Amazon if you had a supplier or a warehouse and they were willing to put your name and your business information on the invoice, put it in the box, and ship it out for you. Technically, that's legal. I mean, none of this is like super illegal. It's just some of it just goes against the terms of service, and you'll get your account shut down. And I did, because I did this. Side note, when you see these YouTube ads that talk about Amazon automation or an automated business made for you, this is what they're talking about. You pay these people $5,000 to $10,000. They build you literally start your own Amazon seller account, because you can only have one seller account per lifetime, per person. You only get one. And so they start your Amazon account for you. They use VAs in the Philippines or in India, and they source products from Walmart and Lowe's and Home Depot. They fill your store, you make sales. And yeah, you make like $100K in revenue per month at the top, but it goes downhill from there. Depending on the number of A to Z claims that you get, returns, bad feedback, and trust me, I got a ton. I'm actually going to show you today. These can go downhill very fast. And so what happens is these people that these people that build these stores for you, these built for you stores, these guys will build the store. You pay them $5,000 to $10,000 to do that. They'll build the store out. You'll be sitting pretty for a little while, maybe 6 months, maybe a year, and then it kind of implodes on itself. But they don't really care, because they got their $5,000 or $10,000 out of you, and you're left holding the bag. And here's the catch to all of this. This is what happened to me. You end up having to pay back out of your pocket all of the returns that are made to your account. So for myself, I sent everything out, but packages get stolen off of people's porches. Items don't show up where they're supposed to due to shipping errors, and returns. People return stuff. So you may have collected your money, like you're happy, everything's good, and then all these returns and A to Z claims start coming through. An A to Z claim is basically a customer can say that the item is broken and they want to file an A to Z claim, and Amazon, from A to Z, they do not care. They don't ask questions. They just give a refund. And basically, you're stuck holding the bag. I had like $1,700 worth of returns and A to Z claims that I had to cover out of my own pocket. And I actually just made the final payment. And so it's been a long recovery process. We're going to go inside my Amazon Seller Central account. Remember, this is super embarrassing for me. So I appreciate you guys, your kindness in this whole thing. Don't do what I did. Listen, they say don't drop ship, just don't do it. You can make good money. I think January I made $30,000 in revenue, and February I made like $38,000 in revenue. My profit margin was around 12% because I did some like weird loops. So I would let me just tell you how I did it. I probably shouldn't, because I don't want to entice anybody else to do this. But basically, I would take my credit card. When someone would buy something, I'd take my credit card. I would go through Rakuten, which is an affiliate, like a payback website. It used to be Ebates, now it's Rakuten. I would go through Rakuten. I would buy a Raise gift card through them, and then I would go back through Rakuten, and I would go to Lowe's and use my discounted gift card, and then I would flip that. So you build like 5 or 6% off of that, and then you get about 10% in profit from the items that you're actually selling. It's a lot of time every single day looking for new products, a lot of time readjusting your pricing, and really scraping by with razor thin profit margins. You have to sell tons of stuff. I was selling like $1,500 TVs, $1,700 TVs from Walmart. I was selling toolkits from Lowe's. I was selling toolboxes and ceiling fans from Home Depot. It was a ton of stuff, a ton of work. Like every single night you have to go place orders so that everything is updated on time. Yeah, there's other stuff I don't even want to get into because I don't want to lead anyone down this path. But suffice it to say, it was all wrong and it imploded on me. It has happened to so many other people. I don't want you to ruin your good Amazon seller reputation by doing this. That's why I'm making this video, to stop anyone from making this horrible mistake. I've lost a lot of time. I've lost a lot of money. Since I've had to recover from this, I've had to fire up the old eBay account, get Poshmark rolling, and it's literally been so tough. Once a locomotive, a steam locomotive or a train or whatever, once it's going, it takes very little effort to keep it going. But getting it going, man, is really tough. It takes a ton of energy, a ton of steam, a ton of time. It just takes so much. And so I shot myself in the foot, so to speak, with Amazon by doing this thing that is called drop shipping. You know, maybe there are some ways around drop shipping on Amazon and eBay, but here's what I like to think. Having a solid, good business comes down to solid, good morals and ethics. Any drop shipping YouTuber or any drop shipping guru out there or any drop shipping pro or ad or whatever, they're teaching you these different things about how to sidestep and how to create 15 different accounts on eBay, or how to cloak your accounts and do all that. If you have to go through all these hoops, if you have to do all of this shady backdoor VPNs to block your IP address so that eBay can't see that you have these two accounts, that they're actually linked, and you have to have multiple PayPal accounts, like if you have to jump through all these hoops, chances are you're not doing the right thing. And not doing the right thing will come back to bite you in the tail. So just avoid it. Just avoid doing the wrong thing. Have good morals, have good business morals, have good business ethics, and just do things the right way. That's my soapbox, I guess. Let's jump into my Amazon Seller Central account, and I'll show you. Right here, we're in here. You can see right here in bright red, your account has been deactivated. Boom, right there. Please click reactivate your account below to resume selling. Now, I've done this. I've sent in my appeal. It got rejected once, twice, a third time. They want me to send in some sort of like bill, like an electric bill or a water bill, to, I have no idea why. Maybe for my address, maybe so they can track me. I don't know. You can see the total balance that I owe is a negative 129. So I owe 129. Just made that payment, waiting for it to clear. Should clear within 24 to 48 hours. Generally takes that long. It's just tough, man. Like, I spent a year of my life building a bookstore, my bookstore on Amazon, just to make a dumb mistake and have it squashed.
Don't ever play yourself. Don't ever play yourself. Congratulations, you played yourself.
Let's go into, this is tough to share. Let's go into my performance. We'll go into account health, and I'll open a new tab so you can see that. It basically says your account has been deactivated. I don't have an order defect rate. I don't have a negative feedback currently, A to Z claims, because I don't even have an account. However, if I do go into performance and I go to feedback, I'll make a tab on that, and we'll go into, whoa, where are we at? Performance and A to Z claims. This is where it gets embarrassing. I'll just open this window. A to Z claims, I'm going to show all. You can just see here, package didn't arrive. Package didn't arrive. Package didn't arrive. Package didn't arrive. A TV for, what was this? Like, I want to say this was $1,700. Oh, 1,300. 1,372 right there. Package didn't arrive. This was in January. All of these A to Z claims, and like maybe the package did arrive, or maybe it was stolen off the porch, or I don't know. Here's one for $514. I lost. I made a dumb mistake. And was left holding the bag and had to pay out.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
It's not been fun or easy. And here's the honest truth about, well, we'll get to the honest truth after I finish showing my account. So I have 4 pages of these A to Z claims. Why did I do this? Just learning, like, so much stuff. So if you want to see what I sold, here it is, like tubs, batteries. What is it whenever you have, I think it's endorphins or something like that. Whenever you get like a hit of mental pleasure and you make that sale and it feels so good, even on eBay, like it always happens, right? You make a sale for $50 on an item you paid a couple bucks for, and you get that feels so good to make that sale. Well, you having like $2,000 a day come through in sales feels so good. And you know, all you have to do, you don't even have to touch the product. All you have to do is just jump online, order it, and ship it to these people. That's it. Like, that's literally the whole thing. But it catches up with you in the end. Jumping over here, you can see that in the past 30 and 90 days, I've had 0 feedback because I've not sold anything. It's just been banned or deactivated or whatever. In the past 365 days, I had 17 bad reviews, bad feedback, negative feedback, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star, 2 star. Like, it's just not good. I guess the moral of the story is just do things right. Don't follow my mistakes. Here's my plan going from here on out as far as being an Amazon seller. I do want to get my account reactivated. I will not go back to selling on Amazon full time. Whatever I do sell on Amazon will be very carefully selected new items or higher end used books that I can merchant fulfill. And that would be the extent of my future Amazon plans. I don't plan on going back to selling on Amazon full time. I've wasted too much time trying to recover it and spent too much time trying to build the eBay store up again to just repeat this circle and this mistake. So not going to go back to being a full-time seller. I would like to have it as a channel to cross-list select items, but for the most part, this was a massive, I would say that this was the biggest mistake that I made as an online seller of things in my professional selling career. Like, this was the mistake. Trying to drop ship through Amazon was the mistake. And it's not one that I'm going to repeat. Totally destroyed my professional working relationship with the company Payability. I was an affiliate for them. I made great money off of affiliate offers through Payability, recommending them to other sellers to help other sellers. And yeah, too much damage came from this. Too much embarrassment and honestly, like, shame came from this. Not going to go back to it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed looking into this massive mistake that I made. It's just so embarrassing to share. I'm fully like 100% behind people that want to sell used books on Amazon and make their money that way. Like, that's totally legit. Keep going at it. 100%. I support you. The course and the YouTube videos still stand as accurate and helpful, no doubt. I just won't ever condone anyone doing any type of drop shipping through Amazon or eBay. You want to Shopify drop ship, that's cool. Like, that's a different thing. But yeah, this is not the way to go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, be sure to click that little like button. Give it a like for the YouTube algorithm. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing for eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark content here on the channel. And then, as always, guys, keep selling. Don't drop ship. Just keep selling, get the bag, and I'll see you on the next video.